Hey guys, it's Ryan with AVL Looms, and today we're going to show you how to prepare the K-Series Loom for threading. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the cloth beam cover. It just pops right off. Go ahead and set this aside. Now we're going to remove the sandpaper beam or the breast beam by pulling out these two pins. And just kind of set those aside, and this beam just pulls out. Keep your hand on the caps here because they do kind of pop off, but we'll just set this beam right here. And then we're going to pull out this guide roller. It just pops out. So now we very quickly already have access to the loom. This is how it would be for slaying the reed. You'd put this back on, but let's say you want to take the beater out. It's very simple. You just have a thumb screw right here. This is the only thing you have to unscrew, but it's really easy. And now that piece just sets down nicely there, and then the beater is just resting here, so I would just pop this out. And now I have full access to the front of the loom, and very comfortable, easy position for threading. Also, the harnesses will stay in any position you treadle them. So right now I have the right treadle all the way down so that the harnesses are elevated, and it makes it a little easier to thread. If you wanted to pull this cloth beam out, you could also just remove this here. And then you have full access and your knees won't be hitting. So to put everything back, we're just going to reverse the steps. So I'll go ahead and put this cloth beam back into place. And we'll go ahead and put the beater on. And the beater just rests into the slots in the front beam. And there, it just rests right there. We're going to attach the beater back up, so this is actually important to make sure that this is forward. So this is, right now you can see there's no room to pop that forward. So what I'm going to do is just kind of elevate that, get that on the forward side. And then now I can attach it to my beater here. So it just has a threaded slot where you just twist that in. And this is basically engages your cloth storage beam, this little lever here. So it's important that that's hooked up. I'm going to put this guide roller back in. Grab the ends of my cloth beam and just insert it back into the slot here. And if it's a little tight, you just kind of push out the side frame there. Put my pins back. And the cover back on. Pop that in. And if the cover doesn't automatically click into place, just give it a little tap and it's secure.